How to fix .NET Framework initialization error v4.2.0 in Windows 11. Hello friends, when you are trying to install any software, you might be facing this error. Follow the steps to fix it. First of all, you will have to download .NET Framework version 4.7.2. For this, you can go to the video description and click on the link given there. After clicking on the link, you will reach this page. Click on this link. After downloaded, click on this file. On my computer, this version is already installed, so it is not being installed here. Follow the on-screen instructions and install this version on your computer. If the issue still persists, make sure that .NET Framework is enabled. For this, click on Search, type Control, click on Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program. Here click on Turn Windows features on or off. Make sure that .NET Framework 3.5 is checked here, and also other .NET Framework versions are checked here. If it is unchecked, then check it and click on OK. Let the version install and restart your computer after that. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the error still appears, repair .NET Framework. For this, go to a browser, type repair.net framework in the search and click on this link, Microsoft.NET Framework Repair Tool. Click on download, click on the exe file, check the box for license terms and click on next. Again click on next, click on finish. Then see if the error has gone. If any third-party software is creating this issue, then you can clean boot Windows. To clean boot, click on search, type msconfig, click on system configuration, select the services tab, check this box, hide all Microsoft services and click on disable all. Then go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. Here make sure that all the programs are disabled. If any program is enabled, disable it. For example, msteams.exe is enabled on my computer. Disable in this way. If any program is enabled on your computer, disable all the programs. Close the task manager, click on apply and click on OK. Click on restart. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.